Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4-inch Sharp display from one CCFL to our LED upgrade kits. This LED upgrade kit comes with the one LED strips, one driver and two wires. So basically you can connect to the red wire to pass it between 12 to 24 volt, the black wire to negative. They should light up the LED lights. Okay, so it's quite easy. Let's take a look at the screen. This screen is quite old. It's called Sharp. The screen part number is LM64P89. It's a 10.4-inch display, but you know some people listed online said it's 9.4, but that's not true. This is 10.4. This is an old screen. The old CCFL, as you can see, mounted vertically because all the newer one usually mounted horizontally, which is produce more brightness level. So this vertically is holding by 3 screws. So as soon as you remove 3 screws, you're going to see the fluorescent lamps. Okay, the last screws out. You carefully take out this plastic cover. As you can see, this is the lamps. You see this lamp? So we're going to take it out. It's quite easy to take it out. Okay, so we're going to mount our LED kit right back to here. So back to the same location. The wire come up this side. See this? If you're going to, you can put something on the back to push it, but you know, as is good enough. Hello, I just put all the 3 screws back, and then add a piece of a wire to secure the, piece of tip to secure the wires. So I have a machine that here I can test it. First, we're gonna connect to a driver. You can connect to either one, and then we're gonna connect this. Okay, here, flick over, connect this to 24 volts. I have here 24 volts. All right, then connect this machine, test machine 12 volts. Let me shut off this overhead lightings. Turn on 24 volts. Here we go. I'm not sure you can see or not, but this is a very old display, but it's quite bright. Let me put it this way. See? It's quite easy. It takes less than 15 minutes, right? Thanks for watching.